So good evening, students. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. In the meantime, if we can, know each other, and if you can start your videos and I can see you all. You all have appeared for your 12th exams, or result is yet to come, or result has come.
The result has come, I believe so. CBSE and
Okay,
ICSE, all results have come.
right. So now they have to decide about the career options.
Can you please speak if you have been asked to speak, right? आप लोग बोलिए.
Hmm. Hi, Kuldeep.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, Rakshit. Hello, Surbi. Hello, Ashi. Okay. So I think we should start now. We'll start with introduction about International College of Financial Planning. So I'm Madhu Sinha. Along with me are Dr. Rishi Taparia. We both are part of International College of Financial Planning. As you must be knowing, the International College of Financial Planning was established in 2002 to spread the financial education in financial planning. We started with the course called Certified Financial Planner in 2002. It was basically for professionals, but then we understood that there are students who are studying in college, doing graduation, so they are looking for various options to start their career in financial services industry. So we came up with the PGDFP, that is postgraduate diploma in financial planning. Then we had MBA in financial planning. Now we thought that students who are opting for commerce in 11th and 12th, they have various options to choose from. When I did my 12th, I was having only few options like BCom pass, BCom honors. Rishi, you must be also having the same
Yes,
thing.
ma'am. I
BCom
also had
master,
same these two options: BCom honors, BCom pass,
BCom pass, and we had that economics
economic
honors,
honors.
economic honors,
Yes,
or it was simple BA. It is in
yes,
arts, and if
right.
somebody wants to do in science, it was BSc. So options were limited for us. And now for you people, after clearing 12th, you have many options. You have BBAs, you have BBA in finance, BBA in financial planning, you have BComs, you have BBI, BAF, BFM. There are many options for you to choose. So you have to be very, very, selective about choosing an option which gives you the best of your jobs, security. So you have to always see that where you find more of expansion in your career, more, starting a job at a good salary, and then how you will be growing in your life. So we will be discussing about the BBA in financial planning option today, which we have in International College of Financial Planning. And myself, Madhu Sinha, I am associated with ICFP since 2004. I worked in SBI, State Bank of India, for 4 years. Then I worked with UTI Mutual Fund for 14 and a half years. Then I left my job in 2003 and I pursued financial planning as a career. I did my CFP program. I did some other international certifications as well, so that I understand more about the wealth management of other countries as well, like Europe and America. And we know about wealth management of India. So I found that this course has a larger scope than any other course, any other normal BBA. So since 2004, I have come into teaching, and I have written two books also. One is Financial Planning, a Ready Reckoner, another is Retire Wealthy. So when you join this BBA Financial Planning program, I'll be one of your teachers also, and Dr. Rishi Taparia will also be one of your faculty members. So let's start learning more about BBA Financial Planning. So after 12th, you have to, choose about options, what to do. Some of you may be going for BCom, some of you are going for BBA, so BBA in finance. Our BBA, which is BBA in financial planning, is super specialized BBA, because in this BBA program, It is a super specialized in the way that you will be learning about financial planning and wealth management. You'll be learning about financial markets, and the financial services industry is very big. You must have heard about many companies like Motilal Oswal, Bajaj Capital, Anand Rathi. Have you heard about this? Sher Khan. There are mutual funds. There are around 44 mutual funds. There are insurance companies. There are banks which require people who have done super specialized programs in financial planning. So a lot of companies are looking for people who have done, have specialization in financial planning and wealth management. So we will be talking about why BBA is a career option after 12, and why super specialized BBA. We'll be talking about BBA in financial planning, the characteristics, then attributes of aspirants and career opportunities in BBA. So why BBA is a career option after 12? It offers a well-rounded program covering all management domains. The subject you will be seeing in the coming slides, the subject you'll find that these subjects are not available in normal BBA program. So the subjects range, the knowledge which you gain in this BBA program is tremendous. It allows you to develop your academic and analytical skills. So you learn academically, become very sound. You have the knowledge of complete financial system of the country, and you also learn to analyze. So you have analytical skills also when you have to compare between two investments, when you have to compare about which stock to buy, which stock to sell, right? Which insurance policies to buy. So you learn all these skills that you do analysis of various investment avenues, and you are able to take the right decision. It strengthens the skills that are important for business or profession. You do a lot of research in this also, and the teaching strategy in ICFPs will teach you with the practical aspects. You will be academically very sound, but you will also be getting practical exposure, because the faculties who will be teaching you BBA in financial planning will be from the industry, who have their industry backgrounds, and they are very qualified people. They are certified financial planners like Dr. Rishita Paria. He's a PhD in economics, right? So the knowledge which you get from the faculties of ICFP will be great. Then why super specialized BBA, that is BBA in financial planning? It provides students with a sound theoretical base and exposure to current business challenges. Also prepare students with capabilities and skills in areas of finance with respect to super specialized in financial planning. Do you know what is financial planning? Financial planning is basically wealth management or management of your money. Everybody who is having money has to learn the skills to manage the money, right? You agree with me? Learning money management skills is very important. If you are into a job, you are into a business, or you are a homemaker, anybody and everybody has to learn money management skills. So this financial planning course will help you to understand money management skills. There are, what is the population of the country? Around 137 crores, and 70% population is very young. Young means starting from your childhood up to age 60. So 70% people are either working, or they'll be joining the stream of work in few years time, like you people. You're clear 12th, after 3-4 years you will be eligible for a job, so you will be joining that stream. So 70% people are of population of India is a working population. So to manage their money, to help them manage their money is very important. So there is a huge requirement of financial planners in India. We require immediately 5 lakh financial planners in India. And the people who do BBA in financial planning will also be doing a course called Certified Financial Planner. I will be discussing that in later on in coming slides, right? So the program is focused to create financial expertise to contribute in emerging India in the following areas. So it is banking and financial services. I discussed with you. Every bank has a segment called wealth management. That segment requires financial planners. Financial planning firms are there. There are wealth management companies like I discussed with you, Motilal Oswal, Bajaj Capital, Sher Khan, Anand Rathi. Then there are stockbroking houses. Uh, so there are many, broking firms also. And there are mutual funds. Every organization which is into financial services require people who have knowledge of personal finance, because they will be helping people to achieve their goals, financial goals. So everybody has financial goals in life. Like think about your parents. Now you have cleared your 12th exam. They must be, planning to for your higher education. So they must have saved money for their education. So providing for education of children is one of the very, very important goals for parents. So every parent, they have to also need to buy a house. They also need to buy a car, education of children, then their own retirement planning, vacation planning. All these are financial goals which a person has to achieve in life. So all that you will be studying in this BBA financial planning course, and it is a very interesting course. It is different from the normal BBA program, right? So you will have creativity, and you will have innovative thinking, leading to unique solution for complex business problems. So you will be able to meet global challenges through sensitivity towards organizational, economic, and cultural diversity. The understanding you will be having in this course will be so much that you will be able to, take decisions quickly, because you have the analytical skills which you will develop in this 3 years program, right? So any type of financial risk you will have, you'll be able to manage those risks. Every investment has risk, life has risk, so risk is everywhere in life. So you will learn to manage risk. So that is very, very important, that risk management is very, very important part of financial planning. So this is a BBA is a 3 year full-time program. The affiliation is with Mysore University, which is A grade, NAC A grade. There are 6 semesters, and 2 semesters per year. And you will be in the last 6 semester, you will be having internship come final placement. So you will have to study in college for only 2.5 years. Last 6 months will be spent on your internship, and then you will get final placement. Location, these courses are available in New Delhi, as well as we have campus in Delhi and Mumbai, where this course is, you can do this course from anywhere, Delhi or Mumbai. When you do BBA in financial planning, you also can appear for CFP. You have certified financial planner qualification, which is a global certification. We have 3 levels of CFP, just like you must have heard about CFA. There are 3 levels in CFA. Similarly, there are 3 levels in CFP also. So in this 5 semesters, we'll be teaching you all the levels of CFP as well. So once you have the knowledge, you will have to simply appear for exams. And then by the time you complete your BBA, you are BBA in financial planning, plus you are professionally qualified, and also have a global certification, which is valid in 27 countries of the world. So only this BBA in financial planning helps you to achieve a global certification along with your general BBA. Now, if a person does simple BCom, or he does simple BBA, he will have to immediately look forward for doing MBA or masters, because simply doing graduation will not help you to getting a good job. But if you do BBA in financial planning along with the global certification called CFP, which is valid in 27 countries of the world, so that has a, more value. So your CV becomes very strong. Every company which is in financial services would like to hire you, right? So these are the features of BBA in financial planning. From here, Rishi, you can continue.
Okay. Uh, Continuing further, if you see, like we this program is all about financial planning. So this is a super specialized in finance. So just to make you understand what financial planning is all about, like before I move further, right, I would like to hear from you. How many of you do not like money? Or how many of you like money, please? You can unmute yourself and you can say if whether you like money or not.
Everybody likes money.
Everybody likes money. Akash here. All right. Okay. So I believe all of you must be having dreams also.
Yes,
Okay. And all of you want to fulfill your dreams also.
yes, absolutely.
Okay. So there are some dreams where you need money. There are some dreams where you don't need money, right? Okay.
Yes,
But all the dreams need to be fulfilled in your life, right? And each one of us try to fulfill those dreams. So, so if you see, like for example, there's a small example which I have shared here, that the day you realize what small incremental progress can achieve over a period of time, right? You would agree that small is actually big and very big. So everything which is small is not bad. Everything which is small is not required. These are all myths. So every day you make a small contribution, right? Only then, for example, you want to learn swimming, so you have to get into swimming pool, and it's not that you learn swimming on the very first day. So you learn a bit on a daily basis, and one fine day you become a great swimmer, right? The same thing it applies to any discipline in the world, please. So small is actually big. It is very big, but you have to take those small steps in your life to make your life big. So for just this is a small example. For example, if you increase your daily productivity by just 1%, you end up doing 37.7 times more work by the end of the year. How? Let's see. If you multiply 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 365 times, the value you get is 1. Agree? Right?
Yep.
Okay. But if for example, if your productivity is increased by 1%, right? So 1.01 into 1.01, and you multiply 365 times, it is 37.7. So same way, financial freedom planning is just the beginning. So you have to understand the concept of compounding here, right? I hope all of you are commerce student. Even if not commerce student, maybe science student. All of you have studied in your mathematics compound interest.
Yes.
So that is the concept of compounding, right? So, but remember one thing, who continue to go through the grind, who continue to go through that pain, who continue to go through that, you can say, the the challenges of their life, they basically prepare themselves for the future. So you are the root of your financial success or failure, please. So remember one thing, if you really work on your roots, the fruits you will get will be very, very high. And the fruits will automatically take care of you. So you have to decide whether you want to work on roots or you want to work on stems, please. So which is the most binding part, most you can say strong part of a tree? Is it the branches or the roots?
Roots.
Roots. Absolutely. So what you have to do? You have to work on roots, or you have to work on the stems, leaves, or branches?
Work on roots.
You have to work on roots. And what these roots are, you have to have the knowledge in you. You have to have that attitude in you, right? You have to have good communication in you. So what is an attitude? Anyone in the class, please? Attitude क्या होता है? Please say something.
It's in self-confidence.
It's a self-confidence, okay?
Self-confidence.
So self-confidence फिर self-confidence attitude में क्या फर्क है? Self-confidence और attitude में क्या फर्क है फिर? दोनों अलग-अलग वर्ड हैं, इसका मतलब दोनों सेम तो नहीं हो सकते. Ego. No, ego is very different, please. Ego is a negative word. So you should understand which is positive, which is negative. Positive always enhance your personality. Negative always deteriorate your personality. Okay, someone has written the angle. We decide that you will go up or down. Okay, that is attitude. Great, Tejasvi. Well, attitude in simple word, it means that you should not have no in your dictionary. N-O, no. So the people who have that attitude that they have they for them, every work is important, whether it is small or big, right? They go farther in their life. They go higher in their life. That is what you call an attitude. So Such courses, BBA financial planning, right? I know you people have just completed your 12th and you are very raw and you all want to enjoy your college life. So we don't deny you should not enjoy your college life, but you have to prepare yourself for future also simultaneously. So attitude is something which you do not get anywhere, which no one can give you. You cannot borrow it from anyone. You cannot purchase it from anyone. You have to work on it. You have to really work on it so that in future, it helps you in your life. It helps you to grow in your life. Right? Ma'am, slide change करना पड़ेगा. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now we are moving down to the curriculum structure of BBA. Like ma'am said, that it is a 3-year program. So each year it has 2 semesters, right? So in 3 years, there are 6 semesters. Okay. I hope you people have, have some idea about financial planning. Ma'am has already communicated to you what financial planning is all about, right? It is managing money, managing your money, managing others' money, right? And helping people to meet their financial goals, their life goals, right? Okay, well, for example, anyone who like to have BMW or Audi car, or maybe Harley Davidson bike in this class?
Yes.
कुलदीप को चाहिए, fine. And Kuldeep is the one who need it. Kuldeep, क्या चाहिए आपको? You need a 4-wheeler or a 2-wheeler Harley Davidson? You have to speak. Let's make it more interactive rather than we just keep speaking, right? Okay, so Tejasvi Saxena has written Harley. Okay, all right. So Kuldeep, what do you want? Okay, fine. So someone, for example, if you need Harley Davidson, okay, someone said Kuldeep wants to know have Rolls Royce. Okay, Rolls Royce chahiye. Okay, fine. It's not Royce Royal. It is Rolls Royce. Okay. Oh, someone said Jaguar. Okay, fine, great. So all of you want to have it, but how you will have it? Have you any plan for it? Do you have any plan for it to have it? Not yet. Someone said not yet. Great. Remember one thing, that education makes you a good person. Education helps you to become literate. Education helps you so that people should not make fool of you. But is it necessary that education get you the all Jaguar, Rolls Royce, or maybe Harley Davidson? And the right education is important, but remember one thing. So normally there are a lot of BBAs in the market, right? But what is the basic difference between BBA financial planning and other BBAs is that we offer a specialization course. It is a super special. It is not finance. It is specialization even in finance. So we are giving you BBA in financial planning, right? For example, if I tell you that today you are 18 years old, and if I ask you, you must be getting pocket money from your father, and he gives you 500 or 1,000 rupees per month. 500 you spend on yourself, and 500 you save, and that 500 you have invested in a mutual fund, and you are investing it on monthly basis for next 20 years, for example. Have you understand? Just imagine how much this money would grow when you would be around 40 years. So it's a power of compounding we are talking about. So in normal BBA, you are not going to talk about, they don't talk about it. So here we will make you understand the power of compounding. We will also tell you what all products you can invest money. whether it is equity or debt, maybe mutual fund, maybe derivatives, right? Future options. So what all is important for you, where you should invest money. For example, maybe Kuldeep or someone else would say, or Tejasvi says, yeah, sir, I would like to retire at the age of 40. I do not want to work after 40 years. So what you will do after 40 years? How you will be able to sustain? How will you be able to maintain yourself if you do not have a bank balance? So maybe after 40, you would like to see the whole world. You would like to see, you would like to live your life happily without any financial crunch. So you say, fine, sir, after 40 years, I would like to retire and I should have at least 5 crores or 10 crore rupees in my account. You can only think of it, but how you will get it, here we will tell you, we will teach you this. That is why Madam talked about a global certification, that is CFP. Do you know India is a population of 138 crores, right? And how many CFPs are there in the country? Any figure, please. 138 करोड़ की आबादी में कितने CFPs होंगे आपके हिसाब से? Oh, Kuldeep, great Kuldeep, 2,500. Very true, almost nearby. So you see the kind of scope this course has, right? Out of, in a population of 138 crores, there are hardly 200, 2,000, 2,500 CFPs in the country. So it means it has a massive requirement. Whether you talk about banking sector or maybe any other financial services company, they are looking for people who are literate in this particular domain. They have the knowledge of financial planning, right? So if we talk about the curriculum structure, it has in the first year, it has 2 semesters, right? So how it looks like, the curriculum, the first 1.5 years means the 3 semesters, the first 3 semesters, we will teach you the subjects from all domains, whether it is accounting, whether it is finance, whether it is economics, whether it is marketing, whether it is operations, statistics, law. Will teach you everything, because first 1.5 year is basically to build your foundation, right? Okay. Correct. So all these subjects are really important. Someone would say from you, sir, I am going to do BBA financial planning. Why you want to teach us organization behavior? It is an HR subject. Why you want to teach us human resource management? You should understand one thing, that the biggest component to manage in the world is the human being. You can manage money, you can manage material, you can manage machine, but can you manage a human being? No. No. Yes. That is why you need to understand the behavioral aspect of people, behavioral aspect of human being. That is why we teach human organization behavior. It's not that only we are teaching. There are other B schools, other schools also, other colleges also who would be teaching it, because we want the base of you guys to be built upon. And then let's move down to the 4th semester and the 5th semester. Now, in these 2 semesters, we teach you core financial planning. So here you will see a lot of subjects from financial planning, like you see retirement planning and employee benefit is there, advanced financial planning is there, investment planning is there, financial planning construction is there, behavioral finance is there, right? And other finance paper like commodity market, commercial credit, a lot of finance papers are there in the 4th and the 5th semester. So we will build your base in financial planning. We'll build your base in other domains of finance, right? Because we want you to be, because I believe you, if you are here, you must have thought of specialization and making your career in finance domain. Otherwise you would not have been here, right? And then in the 6th semester, normally not most of the BBA, they teach you for the whole 6 semester. But here what we have done, we will teach you for almost 2.5 years for that, from first semester till fifth semester. And in the sixth semester, we will offer you internship. So, and this internship, you will be paid. Now, I cannot guarantee you how much you will be getting at that point of time because you have not completed your course, but we will try to get you decent money so that a decent remuneration or decent stipend, which is a motivating factor for you to work in an organization. But remember one thing, as a student, the most important thing for you is to learn. Today, if you learn and you possess a lot of knowledge, which you can demonstrate later on in your life, money will automatically come to you. So you do not have to run money. So my professor, who always used to tell us when we were studying, right, he says, you have to decide whether you want to follow money or money to follow you. Whether you want to follow money or money to follow you. That is what you have to decide today, right? So if you see, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Remember, there's a difference between price and value. When you buy a mobile phone, the price you pay is that price. It is 30,000, 20,000, 50,000. Value is when you use it and you feel happy. And when you're delighted, oh fine, I have got a good product. I have purchased a nice product. So if you see the objective of BBA financial planning, it is to create a new generation financial planning professionals with the required competency, skills and knowledge, helping their customers across the world, across the globe to fulfill their financial aspirations and achieve their life goals. That is the objective of financial planning. So you will be managing others' money. Remember one thing. And another important thing, like it is always a dream for a student that they always want to be an entrepreneur. And by doing this course, right, maybe after you complete your graduation and you work in an industry or in a company for almost 3-5 years, and you understand the trade and you learn the trade, you can, one fine day you can think of that, okay, let me start my own venture. So this may help you to become an entrepreneur also. So basically, if you see, there I have jotted some certain attributes, characteristics which a BBA student should possess or should have in you, right? And I know these skills, they do not come in a day. There's no magic wand कि कोई आप पे घुमाएगा और आपको क्या कहते हैं एकदम से सारे attribute आपके अंदर आ जाएंगे. You really have to practice it. You have to really work upon it, right? Okay. So you have to have academic excellence. इसका कोई substitute नहीं है. Please understand it. Academic is very, very important and it cannot be compromised at any stage in the program. You have to have professional efficiency, please. You need to be efficient enough. So why we call professional efficiency? Let's say there are two people and though both are given the same job. One completes in 8 hours, another completed in 6 hours. Who is more efficient? The one who has taken the less time to complete the job. So the companies are looking for such kind of people who are efficient, right? Then social engagement means you need to have a good network. It's not only that you are you have only 15-20 people which you can count on your fingers. Okay, fine. I have 5 in my family. I have Bua, Fufa, and all that, right? Social engagement means how socially well connected you are. How many people you have in your contact list. Maybe it is on Facebook or maybe on Instagram or maybe on LinkedIn. That is what you call social engagement. So how socially you are active, right? Then critical thinking. You have to be critically in nature. You need to have that thinking that where you can analyze the situation and you critically think about it, right? And that is what companies are looking for, that you have to have that critical thinking in you. You need to have an analytical bent of mind also. So you need to be analytical. You need to analyze a particular situation, a particular business proposal, right? So you have to have that analytical bent, please. And remember one thing, this does not come from anywhere. You have to practice it. Please understand it. आपको इसको daily practice करना पड़ेगा. Then creativity and originality. Companies are not looking for people who can cut, copy, paste home. Please understand that you do it in your computer, cut, copy, paste. So, but companies are looking for people who are really creative, who are original, who have original ideas, who have their own ideas, right? So that is how they grow in their life, right? They should have intellectual curiosity, means they need to be inquisitive. They should be always after acquiring knowledge. They should be ready to learn. It's not that today you learn BBA financial planning, oh fine, I have done this course, now I am a perfect financial planner. No way, please. You have to keep upgrade yourself. There are lot of changes happen in the economy, so you have to keep update yourself, right, in the financial sector. Then you need to have good communication skills. You have to have strong presentation skills, because when you deal with human beings, and when you go and interact with your customers, then you have to have good presentation, sound communication skills, please, excellent communication skills. And this again comes from practice, please. Remember, all these attributes you cannot buy. No one have the magic wand. ना माता पिता के पास है, ना फ्रेंड्स के पास है, ना टीचर्स के पास है. ये खुद प्रैक्टिस करने से आता है. Another is leadership and team spirit. You need to be, if one fine day, today you are working under someone, maybe tomorrow many people would be working under you. So they will only be working under you if you have those leadership qualities in you. So the job of the leader is to take the team along and achieve the objectives. That is leadership. Team spirit means it is a cohesive unit. One unit, like Dhoni, MS Dhoni. I hope people admire Dhoni, right? As a cricketer. He is Saurav Ganguly. What he has done to the Indian cricket. Saurav Ganguly has brought that aggressiveness in the Indian cricket. And MS Dhoni has taken it forward. So it is the team which has won all the 3 World Cups, right? And it is under the leadership of MS Dhoni. And another, last but not the least, is that you should not be afraid of mathematics and statistics, please. There are a bit of mathematics and there are a bit of statistics, but it is not like which you have studied in your class 12, like integration, calculus, derivatives, trigonometry, geometry, nothing like that, please. But basic mathematics and statistics. Now moving down to the opportunities which don't happen, but you have to create them. So opportunity doesn't come on your own, please. You have to create them, please. So by doing this course, where you will be absorbed what kind of options, what kind of opportunities would be available to you, right? If you see, like I've mentioned some here on the slide, financial planning. There are financial planning firms. So they by doing this course, they will hire you. They will take you as a financial planner. They will take you as an estate or tax planner. They will take you as a portfolio manager. They will take you as a wealth advisor, wealth manager. Because CFP, it has 5 modules. And all those 5 modules are really applicable in everyone's life, whether we are in India or in US or in Europe. Everyone will retire. Everyone will be, they will have a kid. Everyone has to marry. Everyone has to get the education done, right? Everyone has to buy a house. Everyone has to plan a vacation. So all dreams are common all over the world, but how you fulfill them, what will be your approach, that is different. So these companies, they will hire you on these positions. Then there are broking firms also, broking houses. They will take you as an investment advisor or equity advisor, equity dealer, or maybe research analyst or relationship manager. They will take you as a relationship manager, right? Then there are other banking and financial services organizations or asset management companies. AMC stand for asset management companies. So they will take you as a relationship executive, manager, mutual fund, relationship manager, mutual fund, or maybe analyst. So all these are positions, but remember the profiles are very, very different, right? These are the designations which we have spoken about, but the job is really very, very different. But remember one thing, what this program will make you, or maybe brought that transformation in you, you will be able to manage the finances of the people. So अगर आप लोगों का फाइनेंस मैनेज कर सकते हो, अपना करोगे तो लोगों का भी कर सकते हो, उनके लाइफ के गोल्स को आप अचीव करने में उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हो. And remember, if once you do it, let me tell you, that person will never leave you in life. That person, because you have given him so much, that you have helped him in fulfilling his dreams. उससे बड़ी कोई बात नहीं होती है. अगर आप किसी को कल वो को बोले कि मेरे को अपनी डॉटर की एजुकेशन के लिए 25 lakhs चाहिए, और टुडे आज उनकी डॉटर 5 years की है and another 20 years, so you will plan their finances and you will, अगर आपने उनको 25 की जगह 30 दे दिए, right, they will be throughout your life, they will do the financial planning only through you, because you have made their dreams fulfilled. Right? Ma'am, is there any other slide? Right. So this is what the course is all about. This is what is the opportunity. These are the traits. Right now, let's the floor is open, and in case if you have any query, we are ready, madam and myself, we are ready to answer your queries.
So Rishi, you have given them an example of if they save 500 rupees out of their pocket money, so it will become 6,63,000 in 20 years by only a small amount of money, 500 rupees a month.
That's great, great money, ma'am.
Yeah, if they invest at 15% rate of return.
Right.
So you have any questions, please ask.
Please class, आप लोग पूछिए. अगर आप पूछेंगे नहीं तो हम आपकी जो भी queries हैं हम उनको resolve कैसे कर पाएंगे? बोलने में क्या हर्ज है, पूछने में क्या हर्ज है?
Have you understood the contents of BBA financial planning?
Well, as far as Gitanjali, as far as fee structure is concerned, that you have to speak to the counselor, please. So they will be able to tell you in detail what is the fee structure, how it is to be paid, right? So because we are faculty, so we normally talk about academics. We do not talk about fee structure. बोलिए प्लीज बच्चों. देखो एक चीज मैं आपको बताऊं, कोई भी चाहे आईसीएफपी से प्रोग्राम करो, चाहे दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से प्रोग्राम करो, आपको बोलना आना चाहिए. सर इट वाज होलसम प्रेजेंटेशन, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर टू मी. ओके फाइन तेजस्वी. एनीवन एल्स प्लीज? डरो मत बच्चों, डर के आगे जीत है.
डरना मना है.
No, हम भी ऐसे ही थे जब when we passed out 12. So point ये कि हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा कोई वेबिनार, ऐसा कोई सेमिनार, ऐसा कोई काउंसलिंग सेशन नहीं होता था. राइट. सो जो भी किया हमने अपने जीवन में अपने खुद के डिसीजन लिए, चाहे वो सही थे गलत थे. But today if you see, there are a lot of webinars, there are a lot of information exchanges there is happening. So you have to be a person who can actually decide what you actually want from your life, from your career, right? Someone has written something. कुछ लिखा था किसी ने?
No.
Sir, what will be the minimum salary we can earn after this course? अच्छा, Rudransh, number one, before I answer the minimum salary, मेरा पास एक बहुत important, because हम academicians हैं तो हम हमेशा learning की और knowledge की बात करते हैं. तो मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, you gain the knowledge, you have the certification in your hand, money will automatically come to you. अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि अगर मैं आज आपको 8,000 बोल दूं और आपको 20,000 मिले तो मैं आपको वही बता रहा हूं.
Normally, Rishi, once they have BBA degree in their hands and they are also doing CFP along with that,
right,
you can start at a minimum of 35,000 per month. It will vary from student to student, all depending on how they present themselves, absolutely, how much knowledge they have gained in this 3 years.
Absolutely.
But we can, this can be expected after 3 years, 35 to 40,000 can be expected per month after doing BBA along with CFP.
So Kuldeep, आपने लिखा है, someone told me that there will be more dash or ये VW,
Viva
अच्छा Viva और project. So हाँ, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू 6 मंथ है, 6 मंथ के अंदर आपका डिजर्टेशन है, तो आप जो इंटर्नशिप करेंगे उस 6 महीने के अंदर, उस पे आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट लिखना है, उस प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर आपका वाइवा होगा। 6 में आपको कोई रिटन एग्जाम नहीं होगा 6 सेमेस्टर में। So you have to convert your job into एक आपको प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट लिखना है, उसके ऊपर आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन बना के आपका वाइवा होगा उसके ऊपर।
Plus, Rishi, they will also be clearing some NISM exams as well.
Absolutely.
Like
Someone
mutual
has,
funds and equity and currency derivatives also they will
yes,
be
yes, yes,
clearing.
yes. So someone has asked, like during 3 years of BBA FP, how many certificates can be gathered by a student? देखो, पहली चीज तो ये है कि आपके पास CFP के 5 मॉड्यूल हैं क्लियर करने के, 1. So you can clear all the 5 modules of CFP before you complete your graduation, number 1. So अगर आप मानो तो वो आपके पास CFP का global certification होगा। दूसरा, there would be some NISM certifications which you would be writing. NISM जो है ये National Stock Exchange का है, so इसकी बड़ी nominal सी फीस होती है, 1000-1200 रुपए फीस होती है। You study and you give the exam and you clear the exam, so you have that certification with you. तो depend करता है आपके ऊपर, आप कितने certification ले सकते हो। Anything, any other question, please? बच्चों बोलो प्लीज। ये समझो कि ये देखो, वरना ना काउंसलिंग सेशन के जो होते हैं ना पैसे लगते हैं। Just joking, kidding, right? No questions. So do you want us to call it off? खत्म करें इसे?
I think they have their doubts all cleared. I think the
I think so, ma'am.
presentation.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So all the best, students. All the best, and think about
I
this
want
course.
more
Yeah.
information about BBA in banking and insurance. Okay, Lakshita. देखो, BBA in banking and insurance, like we don't do it, but yes, there would be some colleges who would be doing BBA in banking and insurance.
No, but banking and insurance are our subjects which will be teaching
हाँ,
them in this BBA in
because
financial planning.
बिल्कुल,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। So मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, तो हम लोग ये कोर्स कराते नहीं है, बट इस अगर आपने कुरिकुलम देखोगे तो we have covered the subjects in banking as well as insurance का, तो हमारा CFP का full fledged एक पेपर भी होता है, right? So we teach you their insurance in detailing. Is it clear, Lakshita? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All the best.
All the
to all of
best.
you.
All the best. Would like to teach you in BBA financial planning. Would like to see you in our classes. So please, you can speak to your respective counselors, and if you have more questions, you can ask them as well.
All right.
All the best.
All the best. Thank you so much. Bye bye.